girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
always feel like there is something you got. Obvious you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, I'll this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, Lord, shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. Cause we got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. Good luck. You the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he.
Hold up. Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love. Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb, I'm trying that in nature. no effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? Read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or ignorant reverse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks, we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm a whole nine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady?
I'm finna stand tall in it, all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. Holler again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you're ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, just be ready to hide. Banging on the corner, big my taste till it pops.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNicehair and today I'm reviewing this gorgeous chocolate unit. This is a 13x4 lace front unit and I believe that I currently have this in a 24-inch, and I will say that for me this 24-inch is really long and it definitely gives off a 26-inch kind of vibe. So if you're someone who likes really long units, you'll really like this. And I am obviously obsessed with this color, but the thing about it is, even though this is advertised as a dark chocolate unit, for me personally I feel like this unit has red undertones to it. So if you get this unit, just know it's not like a true brown, it's more like a mahogany. I would definitely say this is definitely more of a mahogany kind of color. And today I just styled my hair in a simple half up, half down, and then I just did kind of like that trendy little bang thing that everybody's doing, where it's like the pieces in the front, they kind of go at an angle. I was gonna have like my ponytail like go in like one of those like little spiky buns. It wasn't coming out right and I didn't feel like going online trying to watch a tutorial on how to do it. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do a simple half up, half down and just call it a day. And this is the finished look. I really do like how this came out and I just absolutely love this color on my skin tone. I feel like it is just such the perfect way to just like switch up your look and try a new color without doing something like too outrageous. Definitely like work appropriate, everyday appropriate, and you can just give yourself a whole new kind of look, a whole new vibe. This unit does come with the adjustable elastic strap in the inside, and the lace on this unit is actually really long, so I had to like pre-cut the lace before I came like on and like installed it and everything. That's why when you guys saw like I came on, like I already had like the slits done. A lot of it was like really short and kind of like crazy looking, and that's the reason why, because I had to cut the lace because it was so long. It was almost like a wedding veil. That's the kind of like description that I would give it. So yeah, that was the only thing that I wasn't like a really big fan of, but I am definitely a fan of the sizing. I'm definitely a fan of the fit for this unit. You guys know it's like so difficult for me to find something that actually fits and like works for me. So I'm really happy that this unit fits so snug. It just lined up perfectly for me. Like the ear tabs lined up perfectly, and there was still a decent amount of space in this unit. But I will say, as far as the construction of the unit, this is one of those horseshoe type of lace fronts. So you only have like majority of the space in the middle, and then on the side it's like really skimpy. Like the tracks start like maybe an inch once you're in. So I will say, you know, you can definitely do a half up, half down, as you guys can see. The only benefit that I would say to having a horseshoe lace front versus like a full lace front is just that it's typically a little bit thicker in the front area because you do have like those tracks right there. So you get a fuller look. But for me personally, I still prefer a full 13x4 lace front unit. And I like the density on it. The density is very natural, even with having like some of the hair like up front, you know, like having some of the hair like in the ponytail here. They only have 150% density on the website from what I saw. So I'm assuming that this is 150% density. But for me, it's definitely giving 180. It's definitely on the fuller side, which I love, even down to the ends. Like the ends like aren't extra like thin looking. You see how it's like all cohesive. I think they were thinking about me when they made this color. That was like, oh, you know what color would go real good with her? And then they came up with this because hello. But y'all see what I mean by like, it's a chocolate color. Don't get me wrong, like it's still chocolate, but she gives mahogany, you know what I mean? And then this is an up close look at the two little fang pieces. It has like the little diagonal type of parting space there. That's just something new that I've been seeing people do with their half up, half downs that I actually really like and think it's cute. And then I did cut these two pieces right here, and then I just like slightly put a bump in them. But as you guys can see, there's the baby hair action there. And then there's the like center part. Some of my makeup is like gone from here because I've been sweating, y'all. Like it is so hot in LA right now. Like, oh my God, it's so hot. So, but you see how like silky straight this unit is too. Like there's no flyaways whatsoever. So it's like no matter how much you move around, like it's still giving silky, it's still giving flow. It's not stiff, it's not none of that. Like it's bomb. I absolutely love it. It's just some really good silky straight hair, and I absolutely love it. I have nothing bad to say about it. As far as the length, like I said, this is a 24 inch, but I am gonna stand up so you can see like where it hits on me in the front and the back and all that. Okay, yeah, so silky, so smooth. You see how it moves? If it don't move like this, just don't even put it on. Don't even worry about it. But yeah, y'all, that is the tea on this unit. Shout out to UNice. They have definitely gotten so much better over the years. Like just like the selection, the quality, the service, like everything has gotten so much better. I've been seeing them like expanding where they have like, you know, physical store, but like multiple like physical store locations. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna want to get your hands on it. So if you do, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still got a question, drop a comment and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to UNice because UNice always gets me right. They always keep me in the flyest and the latest. They keep me slayed and laid out here, okay, period. And of course, I want to thank all of you for stopping by to watch and support, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.